there, it's Kim Christmas here, and I just wanted to take a minute and thank our March patrons for joining us in our Patreon painting club. And I just want to go over quickly what we did this month. We had quite a few projects, and we kept really busy. And I've shown this one before in a previous video, and this was our main project for tiers 3 and 4. And we painted this on a fairly large wood project, and you can build one of these or find something very comparable in size or style just about anywhere. And we also did some Easter eggs, and I just kind of went to town and painted up a whole bunch, and these were just really fun and really cute. And I also did an extra little clip that included some gold leafing, and I had included some gold leaf in the tier 4 boxes so that our patrons could play around with a little bit of an extra product. And so we did a little clip on that, and we had various projects and things going on this month that kept us nice and busy. We had a March challenge, and this involved a little sketch and some a picture file that was loaded up, and we could just design our own, basically using chicks or bunnies or whatever we wanted. Change the colors around, pick our own colors, pick our own surfaces, and so that was really fun, really cute. I'm gonna have to paint up some more of these because I really like them. And also did a little clip on some chocolate Easter eggs, and this was really fun and cute. And these files will remain up as well as the rest of the files. Those will be available into April and onward. And the only files that will come down are the 2 pattern pack or the 3 PDF files for the 3 projects, and the videos and all the other materials will remain up on the site for future group users. And what else did we do? Oh, we have our box, our Patreon gift box. So our tier 4 guests, they received this box, and in it they received the pre-release for a brand new pattern packet. So they got this first before everybody, and they also received a wood surface so that they can paint their Easter egg. And so that's a good deal already, because in your box you get everything that we've done for the entire month, plus you get all of these things that are inside. So here's your surface with your base, and you can put that on a shelf or a table. They received an egg and a paintbrush, and this is a really good paintbrush for painting those little forget-me-nots. And they received a coupon that's valid for 25% off on my website throughout the month of April, and their gold leaf. And I also received a little kit, surface and gold, for their little Lucky March project, and some various other wood pieces and glitters and trims and little hooks and things like that, so that they can finish some of the projects that were listed for the month. They also received a delicious, yummy chocolate treat, because I love delicious chocolate treats. And they received a little envelope like this, and inside it they have a hand-painted piece from me. And I really enjoyed painting these up for our friends. And this is actually a pattern packet that I have on my website called Spring Floral Fling. So you can paint up a dozen little cubes and some Easter eggs in that pattern, and I really enjoyed putting that pattern to use for our patron friends. And yeah, so that's a pretty good deal for $40. You get the shipping included, you get the whole gift box. You get the entire month of different projects and lots of other things. We try to load you up with lots of stuff. And April we have some new things coming up. So as I said, the 3 main designs will be coming down, just the PDF files. Everything else will stay up. And these are our patterns so far for April. And this is our Bunny Tea In. And I painted this on, it's supposed to be an ornament size is what this tier is supposed to receive, but I felt like painting something a little bit more substantial, so I painted a little bit of a bigger item. And so they'll receive the full PDF file for this and also the video. And then we have for our main project, no, not that, this one, our Spring Chick, and they'll get the full pattern packet for that, and also a step-by-step video, and there's lots of pictures and instructions, and so you get a lot of material with your files. And I painted that on a nice big brick, and so you can pick one of these up in your local brickyard, or maybe pick out a rock or something from your garden out in your backyard, and you can paint this on anything. So I'm really looking forward to doing the video for this and just releasing some really cool and fun spring projects for April. And with all of that in mind, I'll be keeping May in the back of my mind, and I've got some really cute gifts planned for the Tier 4 boxes, and they involve some little teacups. Shh, it's a secret. And so anyways, I'm looking forward to making up the April boxes, and we have limited spaces on those. So if you are interested in joining us and having some fun for a really good value, then you can join us on our Patreon painting club, and you can email me or contact me through the website for that information, or get a hold of me on Facebook. And yeah, so I will wish you a happy spring, and I'll talk to you soon.